A bird is flying down vertically towards the surface of water in a pond with a constant speed. There is a fish inside the water. If the fish is exactly vertically below the bird, then the bird will appear to fish to be at what distance? From this figure we can draw this ray diagram. This is the object, that is the bird is here. A fish is watching this bird, and this bird appears to the fish as if it is at this height. We have to find where is the location of the image. For that, let us see here the rays from the bird. Rays are coming from the bird. They are traveling from air medium into the water medium. This is the water. This is water. Light rays are traveling from air medium into the water medium. Therefore, the first medium is the air. Therefore, the refractive index of the air medium is N1, that is taken to be 1, and this is the water medium. Let that refractive index is N. Object distance is X and the image distance is Y, and the boundary between the air medium and the water medium is plane surface. So radius of curvature of this surface can be taken as infinity. Here R becomes infinity. And the distances are object distance and image distance are measured from this point to like this. Rays are coming downwards, incident ray is downwards, and distances are taken from this point to the upwards direction. Therefore, X and Y should be taken as negative. This is minus X, this is minus Y. So object distance U equal to minus X and image distance V equal to minus Y. Here N2 equal to N by V. What is the object distance or the image distance? That is minus Y. Minus N1 is N1. 1 by object distance is minus X equal to N minus 1 by R is infinity. Therefore, minus N by Y plus 1 by X equal to 0. N by Y equal to 1 by X. Therefore, Y equal to Nx. Here N is definitely greater than 1. The refractive index of the water, here N is the refractive index of the water, it is greater than 1. Therefore, Nx becomes N into X, that becomes greater than X. Nx greater than X. Distance will be greater than that of the object distance. Here Nx is greater than X. Therefore, the image distance Y is greater than the object distance. Therefore, the image appears to the fish as if it is away from the bird. That's all.